Today I am going to embroider this simple design. I am going to do the leaves using satin stitch. I have taken a shaded green thread and for the leaves satin stitch. Don't leave too much gap between two stitches. That is all. For all the leaves, I am going to use the same stitch. I am going to use the same green thread for these lines also. I am going to do step stitch. Simple stem stitch. Keep the thread on the left hand side. Try and take small stitches. That is all. For doing the petals, I have taken a blue shaded thread. I will start from the center and I am going to do satin stitch. First, I will fill in the petals using satin stitch. A simple stitch for filling in. After filling in the petals with satin stitch for the border, I am going to do chain stitch, simple chain stitch. Take small stitches. This is only for the border. Take the thread around the needle and pull up the needle. That's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.